Hello everyone, if you want to go from this to this, stay tuned, and I'm going to review this revolutionary way to charge your phones and how you can do it neatly. Stay tuned. Thank you once again for tuning into our YouTube channel. We are proud to announce that we just recently went over 5,000, yes, 5,000 subscribers on our channel. We are also getting near 3 million total views on our channel. We are a small channel. We're not a large channel by any stretch, but thank you everyone for your support. We try to bring to our channel things that are relevant. Of course, we're always looking for ways to save you money. So today we're going to talk about something that can actually save you some headaches, and that is the way you charge your phones. This revolutionary way of charging your phones without having to have all this messy wires everywhere, having your wires get kinked, tangled. I mean, let's be honest, and I would like to listen to some comments. How many USB cables have you used in the last year, in the last 12 months? How many cables to charge your phone have you gone through? 3, 4, 2, or are you one of those lucky ones that just has had the original cable since you got your phone and haven't kinked it and really takes care of your stuff? You might be one of those that are rare out there, but if you are like the rest of us, you probably go through a couple of these a year. So I'm going to show you here what we have. These cables, and I'm going to take them off the plug and show you what you can see here is it looks just like a slinky, like a coil. And what makes these things really cool is these metals here are all magnetized. So you can easily just separate it like that and connect it to your plug and then into your phone, or if you want to, just see how they click. I mean, this is really cool. I'm glad I was able to get a few of these. Look at that. Store it away like that. You can easily coil it like this, put it in your cup holder in your car. I mean, you can put this in your backpack, in your purse. You can pretty much leave it like that anywhere. And what happens with cables over time is that we don't know how to store them. Here's a perfect example. And they get kinked here or there, whatever, and they're just messy. So with these guys, and you can see that there's different kinds. This is for Android phones. This is a USB-C. Also, the iPad Pro has USB-C. I'm wondering if we're going to see future iPhones have USB-C. We don't know. But even for iPhones, we have the lightning connector. So there's different kinds, and you can see how neatly this thing just stores like that. And you can store it just about anywhere and put it away. It's so simple and so easy to accommodate just about anywhere. You can also stack them. So if you want to stack these two like this, look at that. Pretty neat. Look at that. You can stack them versus having them all over the place. So if you were to have this cable there, and here's another one, here's another one, and these are actually not too bad because they're not easy to kink, but still, as far as keeping stuff organized, compare that, okay? Compare that, and I'm going to take a picture of it because I want to share it. Compare that to that. I mean, it's really nice, and they are thick, by the way. So the cables are thick. Let me just compare. So I guess there's a plastic on the outside, or rubber on the outside, that keeps the cable inside protected. But you can see the thickness of it. Really nice. I'm happy these things are out in the market for anyone to go in and buy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share the link in the description. All you have to do is click on it and get yours. Really nice things to have. They're not expensive at all. And think about it, if you've bought a few of these cables every year, now you probably won't need to buy so many of them because they keep getting kinked. Whether you throw them in your purse, in your backpack, in your back pocket, anywhere, they're going to get kinked. These are like so much easier to keep organized. Like I said, it almost makes you want to put it in your cup holder as you drive around, or put it in your backpack or purse. And the magnets are pretty strong. If you try to pull on them, they're very strong. They're not weak at all. So that's really nice. So again, click on the link on the description. Also subscribe to our channel. We will try to post videos in the future that are either innovative with regards to technology or anything that can save you money. So thank you once again for subscribing. We'll see you next time.